Welcome to today's tutorial on creating a Zap that triggers the sending of rewards via appyReward. In this video, we'll use SurveyMonkey as an example, but it's important to note that you can apply the same process to various other situations based on your specific needs. Whether you're collecting survey responses, customer feedback, or any other type of data, automating the reward distribution process can save you time and effort. So let's dive in and learn how to create this powerful rewarding Zap using appyReward. The first step is to log into your appyReward account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create your reward campaign. Let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to create the reward campaign. With appyReward, you have a wide range of possibilities. You can create giveaways, sweepstakes, instant win games. You can offer digital gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Visa, send customized print-on-demand products, or even propose your own freebies. Feel free to explore the various options and customize your campaign based on your specific needs. For this video, I have already created a reward campaign to save us some time. I selected the reward participants campaign type with an expected respondents count of 100. For the type of gift, I chose the $10 Amazon gift cards. Creating a reward campaign allows you to define the parameters and incentives for your survey participants. Let's move on to the next step. As you can see, I've already created a survey using SurveyMonkey to save us some time. I've included an email field. This field will be used to send the reward link to the participants as soon as they completed the form. Make sure your survey includes all the questions and fields needed to collect the required information from your respondents. Once you're ready, let's proceed to the next step. Let's create the Zap now. Click on Create Zap on the upper left-hand side of the page. And on the next screen, under Trigger, you need to select SurveyMonkey. It would ask you to choose an event. You need to choose New Response Notification with Answers, and then hit Continue. Then it would ask you to connect SurveyMonkey, so click on Sign In. You just have to click Continue. Next, you need to select the survey. So the one that I created earlier is appyReward SurveyMonkey Zapier. The collector that I have created is Email Invitation 1. And then hit Continue. This event will contain the response details, including the email address field that we can map with appyReward. So next, you have to click on Actions and then search for appyReward. Under Event, you need to select Reward Automation and then hit Continue. It would then ask you to sign in to your appyReward account. Another pop-up window will appear. All you have to do is to click on the link that would open your appyReward account. So you need to select Integrations, and then on the appyReward API keys, click on New API Key button. A small pop-up window will appear. Just copy your API key. You need to paste it on the box that's asking for your API key from appyReward account. And then hit Continue to appyReward. And then hit Continue. Next, you need to select the appyReward campaign. Now it's time to map the email field from your survey with the email field in the appyReward. This will ensure that rewards are sent to the correct recipients. It's also recommended to map the unique ID with the response ID of the survey. Although the unique ID is not mandatory, it adds an extra layer of security to the process, allowing you to track and manage the rewards more efficiently. Fantastic! You successfully created a Zap. Now all you have to do is publish your survey and share it with your participants. Once they complete the survey, the rewards will be automatically sent to their email addresses. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've learned how to create a powerful rewarding Zap using appyReward, focusing on the example of integrating with SurveyMonkey. This video serves as a great example to understand the process, but it is important to note that appyReward offers a multiple of possibilities for creating Zaps. Whether you're looking to integrate appyReward in marketing automation platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, or in CRM systems to reward customers or even your sales team, the possibilities are endless. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showcasing the potential of appyReward and inspiring you to explore the many possibilities it offers. Thank you for watching, and remember to get creative with your Zaps.